Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Tuya smart switch using an iPhone. First, make sure you have an iPhone, your Tuya smart switch and 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Also, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Then open Tuya smart app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, open the App Store, download it from and log in using creating an account. Once you are in the home screen, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new device. Put the smart switch in pairing mode. If the switch is nearly installed, it may already be ready. If not, press and hold the switch button about 5 to 10 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. A blinking light means the switch is ready to connect. Now go back to the Tuya Smart app, tap switch, then select Smart switch from the list. The app will ask to connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure you choose 2.4G Wi-Fi network, not 5G. Stay close to the switch while the app connects. This usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. Once connected, you can name the switch and assign it to the room, like living room or a bedroom. After setup, tap switch in the app to turn it on or off. If the light are applied respond, the connection was successful. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.